Hello, welcome to WR Guitar. I'm Will Russell, and in this video today I'm going to be teaching you how to play a super easy version of Apologise by Timberland and OneRepublic. So let's get learning. Okay, the first thing we're going to need to do for this song is whack our capo down on the 8th fret of the neck. That means everything to the left of the capo is now redundant. We're not using it, and we're going to use only this part of the guitar. Each of the 4 chords in this song isn't going to be using the top 3 strings. So we're only going to strum down from the 4th string down, which is the G, using the B and the E. So the last 3 strings on the guitar. The first chord we're going to use is an E minor chord, and we're going to make sure that we grab the neck but not put our fingers down on any of the strings. So it sounds like this. The second chord is the C chord. So using your left hand, you're going to use your first finger and you're going to place it down on the 1st fret of the 5th string. So counting from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the B string, missing out the top 3 strings. The next chord we're going to use is the G chord. So using our left hand again, we're going to use the 3rd finger and we're going to place it down on the 3rd fret of the 6th string down from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the high E string, missing out the top 3 strings again. 4th chord we're going to use is the D chord. Now this chord, all you've got to do from G is jump up to the string above, the B string, and press down on the 3rd fret of that string. So that's the 5th string down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, miss out the top 3 strings and give it a strum. The chord progression for the verse then, we're going to hold each chord for 4 beats long. We call this a semi-breve, and we're going to let it ring out. So we're going to strum it on the 1 and we're going to let it ring out for 2, 3, 4. I'm going to show you how the verse goes. Look to the left of me if you want to see the chords. Here we go. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that one more time for you. E minor, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. Okay, good news. The chorus uses exactly the same chord progression, but instead of doing 1 strum, we're going to do 2 strums, and we're going to play them as a minim. So a minim lasts for 2 beats. So we're going to count strum on the 1, hold it for 2, strum on the 3, hold it for 4. So using the E minor first, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do that one more time for you. E minor, 1, 2, 3, C. 1, 2, 3, G. 1, 2, 3, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we have it. There's the tutorial that you're going to need to learn all of the chords and the strumming pattern and rhythm for this song. If you want to start jamming along once you've had a practice, then check out this video here. This is my play along video where you'll be able to play along to the music and the track. Finally, if you like what you've been watching today and you like what you've been learning, then please make sure you subscribe to WR Guitar to get your weekly updates on what I'm loading onto my channel. Go and check out my Total Beginner Guitar playlist where there's a bunch more songs using the same chords, where you'll be able to have some fun playing over different styles and different artists. Till next time, I've been Will Russell and this is WR Guitar.